close-up of the GoPro mounting system. So that's just a sticky pad GoPro mount. And at the back there you can see the little cable sticky pad tie wrap, and that's holding a little jack plug that goes off to a microphone that's tucked inside the padding inside the helmet. There it is now with the camera attached to the GoPro mount, microphone adapter cable plugged in. There it is on the front of the helmet. Probably need to adjust it ever so slightly for angle. But that's the kind of setup that I'm running. Cheap and cheerful. So on this side you can see the Bluetooth intercom system. It's only partially fitted to this helmet. I have it on a couple of sets and some headphones. When we're in the kit cars you can slide this on and use it for comms in between the driver and passenger. Then obviously when you're out on the bikes, one on each helmet for two riders, and they can talk to each other. The other benefit of that is the GoPro microphone picks up the chatter from the headphones and the helmet as well. It just sort of rattles around, so you record both sides of the conversation onto your GoPro, and they're about 50 quid a pair, something like that, and they fit quite neatly inside the lining of your helmet for your, so that the headphone sections of them are really thin, and a little thin boom mic that goes right round to the front and tucks inside the lining, so you don't get too much of my Darth Vader breathing, but you'll always get a bit of it because that's the way it is. So that's the GoPro, that's the Bluetooth intercom system. If you want to see all the tucked in wires inside, I'll have a go at showing you, but I'm sure you can figure that one out. Okie doke, cheers mate.